Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I'm actually going to be showing you a simple remedy on what you are going to do to make sales. With what I'm going to show you today, you are going to make a lot of sales in your business area, in your working place. Are you a businessman? Are you a petty trader? Please, this video is for you. Please relax and enjoy this video. Okay, so what we have here is, here I have my alligator pepper. Here I have my kola. This is native kola. Ojibo. Ojugo. This is native kola. And here I have my otaba. I know a lot of you know what is snuff. This is snuff. Otaba. In my dialect, we call it otaba. In Igbo general language, they call it ataba. So if I am wrong, I stand to be corrected. So these are the three things you need, and this I'm going to show you what you are going to be doing, like anytime, any day you want to go to your working place. So if you know that sometimes njahia, like no there's no market every time, anytime, any day you go to work, you will not make a sales. Nobody will come to ask you whether you are there to sell. Please pay attention to this video, understand the area I am going, then please follow it up, and I'm sure you will come back and give me your testimony. This alligator pepper is a worldwide something. You can get it anywhere you are. This kola now, you can get it anywhere you are in the world. Ataba, I don't know about ataba, but basically here in Nigeria is very rampant. So you can get ataba wherever, snuff wherever you are. Okay, so what you are going to do, why are you using these three things? The reason why you are going to use these three things, you are going to use these three things to bless yourself in the morning. This alligator pepper, it doesn't go any journey of shame, any disgrace journey. So you are going to use this thing and pray to your God, pray to your chi. You are going to give your chi this ataba, this snuff you are seeing like this. You are going to give your chi this snuff. And as you are giving your chi this snuff, you are going to pray over it. You see this kola now, you are also going to give your chi kola in the morning. It's just as if when you wake up in the morning, you will stand up from your bed, kneel down close to your bed and pray to God of creation and tell God, thank you for waking me up today. Now, it's now late for you after praying in the morning, for waking you up, for being healthy, for seeing today, for using your eyes to see this precious morning. Then it's now left for you to pray to God as you are stepping out to that your working place. May God do something that will show you that yes, he's really existing, that he exists, that he answers prayer. So right now we are going to bring 4 seeds of alligator pepper, eke, ore, and for nkwo. That is 4 market days in the whole wide world. It doesn't matter whether you know that today is eke, today is ore, today. Just bring the 4 pieces of alligator pepper, and as you bring it, then you pour this snuff on your left hand. Then you use the alligator pepper, 4 seeds of alligator pepper. You now pray, and this is how you are going to pray with it. My God of creation, I greet you this morning. Thank you for waking me up once again. I and my family, we are grateful. As I am stepping out to my working place, you can mention the name of your working place. It doesn't matter if you are selling orange on the road, if you are selling tomatoes, if you are selling groundnut, just mention whatsoever that you are doing. If you are selling clothes, if you are selling crayfish, if you are selling fish, dry fish and all that, just mention it. Okay, and that area of your business, you mention it. If your area, if you are staying in Use, for example, if you are staying in Use, you just said I am going to Use market today.
May I be favored by man and women. May favor locate me. You use those 4 pieces of alligator pepper to bless yourself, to proclaim goodness upon your life, upon your business. Then you chew it. It's a blessing. You chew it. Then when you chew it, you pour it east, west, north, and south. That is that 4 market days. You pour it from your mouth, east, west, north, and south. Then this snuff now, you now tell your chi that you are giving them snuff. This snuff, do you know the reason why our forefathers are using snuff? Sometimes when you see them, you'll be like, ah, papa, sometimes they, if it's not even sometimes, regularly they use this snuff to pray without us knowing. When my father was alive, anytime he want to take his snuff, is a must. He pour it small on the ground after making his incantation. He's giving his chi ataba. He's giving his chi this snuff. He's asking his chi to bless him, to bless his family, to bless his household, to bless his generation, to bless everything that concerns him. So therefore, when you have a business, you are going to use this snuff to bless yourself going out, bless yourself coming back. Okay, you ask your chi to bring favor, for you to attract favor wherever you are going, for you to attract favor in this your working place. Let customer locate you here and there. May God of creation bless your customers, because as God bless your customers, definitely they are going to come and patronize you. So as you are praying, you are also praying for your customers to be up and doing, to be well, to be strong, to be healthy, for God to protect them wherever they are, for them to always have you in mind, so that they will always come back and patronize you. So after you pray with snuff, I'm not asking you to put this snuff on your nose. No, pour it on the ground, east, west, north, and south. East, west, north, and south. That 4 market days. Then you pour it like that, and you bring this cola. You are going to open the cola before you start your prayer. You are going to open this cola. It should be 3. And if you don't have 3, the one that has 3 children, the cola that has 3 children, you can use the one that have 4 children. And this is how you are going to do with it. So you are going to open it and put it in your palms like this, and you say it again. God of creation, you are giving them this cola in order for you are giving them cola. Cola is something that when somebody comes to your house, you can offer them cola. It mustn't be this native cola. You can give them garden egg. You can give them granite and chips and all that. Is your own cola. You can give them malt. You can give them pure heaven, something of that nature. That is your own cola. So right now you are going to give your chi, your God of creation, your spirit guiding cola. And as you are giving your chi cola, you are telling them your intention. You are telling your chi your intention. You are telling them, you mention the name of your shop. You mention the type of your business. As you are stepping out, God of creation, please let me make a sales. Let everything that concerns me prosper. Let everything good locate me. Let favor locate me here and there. Man and women shall favor me. Anything that belongs to me, God, let them come to me. And let it not meet my enemies before it will get to me. Let it come to me directly. Bless my family, bless everything that concerns me. After you make this thing, the prayer finish, then you bring one. You bring one out from that 3 pieces of cola. You chew it. You put it in your mouth. You can put it on your. Just use your lips to hold it. Then you throw the remaining 2. If those remaining 2 open face, then that means, let me show you something that I'm talking about. So this is what I am talking about now. You open it like I have opened this cola now. As I open this cola, if it has 3 children, so when the face open like this, then that means God has answered your prayer. Yes, you are actually going to make a beautiful sales that day. But when the thing turn back like this, my dear, you just need to like redo the prayer again. Bring another cola and still pray. Okay, use the same method you start from the beginning and pray again. Okay, until something happen. This is the time that I will ask you to like pray until something happen. And I'm telling you, after you do this thing and see positive answer, you will surely come back and give me your testimony. It's just tested and trusted, and honestly, I'm assuring you that you are going to come back and give me testimony. Give your chief food before you step out from your house, and they will bless your day. They will bless everything that concerns you. It's not a diabolic something, it's not a fetish something. It's nature that you can give to your spirit guiding for them to pave good ways for you as you are stepping out from your house. It doesn't have any side effect. And thank you so much if you have watched me up to this point, and remain blessed. And please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, it is free. Join the family, let's grow together, and I really love you guys. Thank you, stay safe and remain blessed. Confidence love you so much. Love from my family. Bye.